Welcome to Powamoto. What happens when top-tier motorcycles crash the scene at the luxury car show? We're live at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino for Supercar Saturday, where it's all about showcasing our bikes in the middle of the high-end car culture. Join me, the SkyChampion, and the Suzuki Hayabusa Team, plus GottemPOV and Fast Track USA, as we take over the show. Let's ride! For all things motorcycles, it's on!
Powamoto.
Motorcycle riding. Stunts like you've never seen before. Beautiful models.
You fake YouTubers, it's on.
And I can't.
He's arrived. We're here for the motorcycle meetup. GottemPOV. All right. He's got the cameras. I can count on him. He's got multiple cameras, like he said. I like the setup, buddy. Thanks for being on time. Appreciate you. What's going on? Okay, Johnny in the house. GottemPOV. The Ninja. Oh, I like the logo. Chromed that baby out. Nice. Got the winglets. Okay. He's got the protection. He's doing the carbon fiber, and you won't miss him. You won't forget the name. Look at this thing. They've arrived. The Busa team. Come next to the Busas. All right. He brought the big one. The big one. Love it. He even came in the rain. He didn't give a fuck. You see this? Oh, shit. Nice, Mike. Nice. Mike can drop it down. Very nice. Oh, shit. Awesome, buddy. Thanks for coming. Appreciate you. Here come the other Busas. It's a Busa Fest. I'm glad the Ninjas came, too. It's a Busa Fest. What's up, buddy? Park next to the Busas. Yeah. That's a big tire, bro. That's bigger than a fucking drag tire. Wow. You can eat out these rims. They're so clean. Look at that. Wow. Awesome, man. Hey, buddy.
How you doing, man?
Thanks for coming. Another Busa. Listen, Jimbo. Super Busa. He doesn't need a lid. He's not fucking around. The Super Busa. Come on. I love it. What kind of exhaust is that, bro?
Voodoo.
Voodoo. I told you could do a Voodoo on it. I'm getting mine with a Voodoo. Stop fucking around with your little slow, quiet M4. Come on with that shit. Look, straight pipe, bro. Straight pipe. I know. Nice, bro. Very nice. Love it. We are here with the Super Busa. He's done some work, baby. Very nice. Okay, what's the fastest you've had it?
I ride 175.
Uh-oh. This guy's trying to get tickets, but he's not messing around. 1300R. Nice, bro. Very nice. He's ready for the track there, Josh. He's ready for the track. Yeah. The guys have arrived. All right. All right. Well, I know what team they're representing. They've arrived. Okay. Look at that one. Huh? How many boosters you want to ride with? How many? Okay, they've arrived.
That wrap.
That was a wrap? Yeah.
That vinyl wrap.
Sharp.
That's mine right there.
Nice. Look at that. Let me hear it. Is that a turbo?
Yeah.
How did I know? Turbo, Jimbo. Turbo. They've arrived. I know what team he was voting for. The Eagles and the Patriots. All right. Brother, thank you for coming. Appreciate you. Thank you. I'm getting all these subscribers now. And now I've been invited to the Busa Meetup. You're allowed to come too, Josh. You're allowed to come too, Josh. Just give me a call when it's 1340 time.
Hey, thanks for everybody for coming out. But I've been trying to get bikes to be included with this event for a long time. It just makes sense, right? Supercars, super bikes. Usually people that love fast cars love fast bikes, so why not? Give the people, give the crowd what they're looking for, you know, a little excitement. So appreciate you all being here. Let's go in there and get in and get situated. We have a special spot that they have reserved for us.
Got a POV, got to get it. Best I be outside with it. We outside today, baby. That's right.
Everybody looks scared as what?
Yeah, they should be. The team has arrived. It's on Powamoto. Got a POVs in the house with the shots. I can't wait to get them. Take your scooters home. And we got my own space right here. I'm outside with it. Give me a snow cone. Let's go. The guy with the cat. Hopefully, you got the camera shots of us flossing in, dog. You the man. You the man. You're the man.
Guy with Powamoto.
GottemPOV, the guy with the cam. Excuse me, coming through. YouTube, Powamoto. Subscribe today. POWA Moto. We're outside with it. And it's on Powamoto. Shiva Rose is in the house. Respect to Shiva Rose. She's killing the game.
Oh, yeah, you got
See, bro, I like you because you're on YouTube right now with that camera. You're on YouTube right now on Powamoto. He's having fun. It's pink. They're going to the Diddy party. It's okay. Okay. Watch out for the bikes, though. All right. Having fun. The guys are having a blast. Is that electric?
Yeah.
How did I know? Good one. Got you. He's outside with it. Dominican Republic in the house. On the Busa. Check the girl riders out. Okay. All right. Give it a jiggle. It's okay. You can give it a jiggle. All right. Because it goes 200. You'll be jiggling. Okay, you can lean forward and kiss the motorcycle. Yes. They love that. Thank you. Bésame mucho. YouTube right now. Powamoto is our number one. Let's go, team. We're outside with it on Powamoto. Subscribe today. This is our number one. We're at the Hard Rock. You already know it's Powamoto. Subscribe today. Watch out, guys. I can't hear you, bro. Cobra. The guy. Let me hear it. All right. Go on YouTube channel Powamoto. POWA Moto. Subscribe today. The guy. Oh shit. Love that. Love that color. That's my color, baby. Powamoto. Subscribe today. POWA Moto. Love that shit. Love that. Tell me that shit when you're done, dog. I got you. That's my shit right there. Suzuki's number one. Suzuki's number one, baby. You're on YouTube channel. Powamoto. Power. And let me hear it. Look at the wrap. Look at the Lambo. You like the wrap? It's so cool. Look at the wrap. YouTube loves kids. Hey, bro. Much respect. You're on YouTube channel Powamoto right now. It's live, baby. Hey, let me hear it. It's power. I like the rap. I like the dog. YouTube loves dogs. Beautiful. All right. Let me hear it. Let me hear it. You're on YouTube channel Powamoto. Subscribe today. This is a ninja, baby.
Thanks for watching. Hit that playlist, support this channel, fam, and I see you on the next one. If you like this video, check out one of these two other similar videos, and thanks for subscribing. We out!